Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is November the 1st and I am introducing today a brand new trading system. It's called the Easy Scalper with the Super Signal Indicator. This system has, and I can click on it right here, it's the Easy Scalper with built-in alerts. So when it changes from blue to red, you'll get a pop-up alert, audio sound. Now myself at this point in time I have this alert turned off as I am using the Super Signal Indicator. That's the one with the arrows here. This is enough alerts that all I need, and as you can see you're getting buy and sell signals right in this box. But like I said, if you so desire, you can turn the alert on for the Easy Scalper. So every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments, and I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision whether I want to be buying or selling, I manually put in this white arrow, and then I'm ready to trade. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It's running in real time. It gives signals right here in this comments section, whether you should be selling or looking for bearish trade or looking for bullish trades. Some of them are preferred, a little bit stronger for either going up or down. Now, as my mentor told me many years ago, most traders fail because they don't have any kind of a daily trade plan. Well, after 19 years, this is the best daily trade plan I ever came across. I would not trade without it. And if you are trading without a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are not succeeding. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, well, just Skype me. Now we can get into these trades. Took all the trades right around the same time, a little after 7 a.m. Closed them all out right around the same time, 8:40 approximately. Now I sold them all except for the last two on the bottom. So on the first trade, Euro CAD, wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Now the scalper was saying to sell. Did qualify for a great way to trade, as I teach within the training videos. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So there's the arrow from the super signal. Now I took the trade at this point and I closed it out just being happy. And when I usually realize that I have at least 200 or more pips and ticks, I just close out the trades as I'm happy at that point. Looks like when I did close it out, I locked in 11 pips, and that paid out $86. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound CAD. Another one I wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. The scalper said to sell. As you can clearly see, it's red. And let's see where I got in at. So I sold it. There was the arrow from the super signal. Everything was looking great for shorting. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here. Could have made a lot more. Almost hit the ADR down here. Down to there is around 56. But I closed it out being happy. Looks like with about 18 pips, and that ended up paying out $129. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Swiss. Another one I wanted to be selling. There's from the daily trade plan. The scalper was red. Super signal arrow was back here. So I took the trade knowing with a very high probability that it was going to go in my favor. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out just being happy with about 17 pips. And those pips paid out $187. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro New Zealand. Another one I wanted to be selling. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Scalper was red. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Well, let's see where I got in at on this Euro New Zealand trade. Super signal was back here. Took the trade and I closed it out here. Again, just being happy with looks like 40. Those 40 pips paid out $233. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro Aussie. Another one I wanted to be selling. Here's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Scalper here was red. Super signal arrow was right here. So let's see where I got in at. Easy decision to make. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out again being happy with 42 pips. And those pips paid out $273. Moving on to the next trade, pound New Zealand. Another one I wanted to be selling. There's arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Scalper was red. Remember, red we're selling and blue we're buying. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out again, being happy. Looks like with about 46 pips, and those pips paid out $274. Moving on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Another one did qualify for a great way to trade. There's the super signal arrow from the daily trade plan. Everything looking good for shorting. So I took the trade just after the arrow and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 58, and those 58 pips paid $369. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. You'll notice that the futures, the indexes, they move a lot more. You can see down at the bottom here, and they pay a lot more. So in this crude oil, wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Super signal arrow. The scalper here said it was blue. Blue means we're buying. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Looking at the money, and due to the fact it pays $10 for each tick, this should be 69 ticks. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out, as I mentioned, with the 69 ticks, and that paid out $690. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. This one moves a lot and pays a lot. And I dropped it down to the 5-minute time frame to try to get a reading. Let's see, this one I bought it. Drag and drop this up. So in real time, the scalper was blue, did a bit of a pullback, and then it carried on its way up according to the daily trade plan. So I took the money and divided it by 3.75, as it pays $3.75 for each tick. Now the calculator says it should be 430. So let's see if we can find that 430. There it is right there, 430 ticks, and that paid out $1,612. So another great day of trading on this special day as I'm introducing my brand new easy scalper trading system which comes with the super signal indicator. So I added up all the pips and the ticks and I knew it was going to be well over 200. The grand total for today was 731 pips and ticks, and that ended up paying out $3,856. So if your system's not producing like my easy scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you look right below this video, in the description, you will get my contact information and a lot of other information. So if this is the video, well, all you got to do is just scroll down, and in the description you will see this write-up. Now, as I mentioned many times, I do prefer Skype, so it's made it easy for you. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you click on this link here, if you have a computer or a cell phone, we'll have a connection, and at that point we can look at charts and I can answer your questions. Keep in mind there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and of course you're going to need some kind of a daily trade plan. Now when you buy from me, I do give support. After all, you'll have some questions and I'm here to answer your questions. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So now as you scroll down, you'll see that there's 3 different packages. I do charge $250 each. Have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you the other package. I'll give you 1 package for free. And this also includes a free Skype session, and I can show you how to trade and my system, and I can answer any of your questions. Now I break down the packages. There's 3 packages. Easy Scalper with the Super Signal Indicator, 22 videos, then How I Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips, 24 videos, and of course my Daily Trade Plan EA has 4 training videos. As you continue to scroll down, I break down each package and exactly what I teach in each package. As I mentioned earlier, you're going to need a lot of education, and I do provide a lot of education. You can clearly see all the different things that I teach, the different ways how to trade the markets successfully. That was package 1. Package 2, How We Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips. Again, everything that I teach within the package, and even how to backtest any system using the Super Signal Indicator. Continuing to scroll down, let's see, here's the Daily Trade Plan. Teach how to use it for all 3 different sessions. Now, of course, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, quite simple, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. And of course, you can send me an email if you so desire. Now, due to the fact that it does take me up to 2 weeks to put these packages together, can take me up to 100 hours, and I don't really want to work for free. So for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.